Hi students, in this video we will learn about factors, multiples, LCM, prime factorization methods, that all we can learn. First, factor. What is a factor? A number which divides a given number exactly is called a factor of that number. For example, 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. Here 6 is called factor of 12 because 6 dividing 12 exactly. So 6 is a factor of 12. Next, one more example. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. Here 7 is called factor. Let us find out factors. How to find out factors? 18. First, we want to write every number 1 into given number. 1 into given number. Next, check out in second table 2 nines. Next, third table 3 6. Fourth table won't come fifth, no sixth. Again here repeated. Once repeat means you no need to check out. Now list out all factors. Here factors of 18 is equal to, list out these all, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. One more example, take 20. What are the factors of 20? First we want to list out 1 into 20, product of the number and 1. Next check out linely, second table, 2 tens, third table won't come, fourth table, 4 fives, next fifth table, 5 fours. Once see here it is repeated, 5 fours, next 10 twos, 20 ones. Here what are the factors of 20? Now factors of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. By observing here, for each and every number, 1 is a factor. 1 is factor for all numbers, common factor. And largest factor is number itself. Here, largest factor, number itself. And one more thing you observe, the factors of a number always less than or equal to given number. Here also. And one more thing is, 1 is a common factor for all numbers. And the highest factor is number itself, lowest factor is 1. Next concept, multiples. What are multiples? Suppose, take 2. 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 threes, 2 fours, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here, these all are called multiples of 2. Whatever the number they will give, we can take a product with multiplying some numbers. The products are called multiples. Find first 10 multiples of, find first 4 multiples of 10. What they are saying? Find first 4 multiples of 10. First 4 multiples means we want to start from 1 onwards. 10 ones, 10 twos, 10 threes, 10 fours. 10 ones, twos, threes, fours. So here, what are the first 4 multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30, 40. Suppose, write multiples of 5. Here they are not mentioned first, last, like that they are not mentioned. So multiples of 5 means we can write a 5 into any number. Take any number, 5 fours, 5 6, 5 sevens, 5 eights. Now multiply 20, 5 6, 30, 5 sevens, 35, 5 eights, 40. So these are multiples of 5. Like this we can find out multiples. Next concept, prime factorization. Prime factorization. Take an example. 24. How can you find out prime factors? Here before I said factors means a number which divides it exactly is called factor. Here prime factors we are saying. So the divisor must be prime number. First take first prime number is 2. Already it is even number. It is divisible by 2. 2, 2 ones, 2 twos. Next 2 6, 2 threes. Next 3 will divided by 3. 3 ones until we are getting 1. Should continue same process. Now 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is one method, division method. By division we can find out prime factors. Next factor tree method. Here what is the number they gave? Take that number. Now 24 can be expressed as 4 6. 4 6 4 6 24. Next 4 is prime number? No, it is composite number. Again express 4 as product of 2 twos. Now check here, 2 is a prime number, 2 is also prime number. If you got prime number, just round off. Next 6 is composite number. 6 can be expressed as 2 threes. Now round off 2 and 3 because both are prime numbers. Now again check out 24 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. One more, suppose somebody taken 24 can be written as 2 12s. Here 2 is prime number, round off. Next 12 can be written as 2 6. 2 is prime number. Now 6 can be written as 2 threes. 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number. This is a factor tree method and this is division method. Prime factorization. How to find out for given number prime factorization. Next concept, LCM. What is LCM? Least common multiple. Least common multiple. LCM can be found by two methods. One is division method and next one is prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Here minimum two numbers are required. Take 12 and 16. How to find out LCM in division method? Take 12 and 16. Take any number which divides both numbers exactly. So both numbers will come in second table. 2 6, 2 8. Again, what is common factor here for 6 and 8? 2 is common factor. In second table where you will get 6, 2 threes and 8 we will get by 4s. Now check out 3 and 4. Both are having no common factors. Then leave up to here. Now multiply these all. 2 into 2 into 3 into 4. 2 twos 4, 4 threes 12, 12 fours 48. So 48 is LCM of 12 and 16. Coming to here, prime factorization method. Take 12 first. Factor tree. Find out the factors for 12. Prime numbers, that are prime numbers. So here 12 can be written as 4 threes. Now check here. 4 and 3. 3 is prime number, round off. Next 4 is composite number. Again write 4 as a product of 2 twos. 2 is prime number. Again 2 is also prime number. Next number what? 16. For 16 find out the prime factors. 16 can be written as 4 fours. Now 4 is a composite number. Again 4 can be written as 2 twos. Here 4 can be written as 2 twos. If you got a prime number, immediately round off. Now, what are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 what? Rounded numbers. 2 into 2 into 3. Factors of 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next, list out common factors. Common factors. In both what are common? See here 1 2 is common and one more 2 is common. Common factors what? 2 comma 2. Now LCM is equal to common factors 2 twos are common. You no need to write 4 twos, only 2 twos. 2 2 into 2 into, what are the uncommon factors? 3 is uncommon, another 2 is uncommon and 2 is uncommon. Here common factors are 2 and 2. Remaining, list out uncommon factors. What are the uncommon factors? 3, 2, 2. Now multiply these all. 2 2s 4, 4 3s 12, 12 2s 24, 24 2s 48. One more example. Example 18 and 27. First division method. How to do in division method? 18, 27. Now check out what is the common factor for both 18 and 27. It is clearly third table. 3 6 and 3 9s. Again here, what is the common factor for both? Again third table. 3 2s, 3 3s. Now check here. Any common factors are there? No, here there is no common factors. So stop here, up to stop here. 18 can be written as 3 into 3 into 2 into 3. Now multiply. 3 3s 9, 9 2s 18, 18 3s 54. Next number. Next prime factorization method. First take 18. Find out prime factors for 18. 18 can be written as 2 9s. Here 2 is prime number, 9 is composite. Again 9 can be written as 3 3s. Now 3 is prime number and 3 is also prime number. Now 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Next number 27. 27. 3 9s. 27. 3 is prime number. Next 9 can be written as 3 3s. Now 3 3. Both are prime factors. Now 27 can be expressed as 3 into 3 into 3. Next list out common factors. What are the common factors in both? Here 3 is common, 3 is common. First write out of this 2 3s 1 3. Out of this 2 3s 1 more 3. Now LCM. Here common multiples. This is a common multiples. LCM is equal to, first note down common multiples into uncommon multiples. What are the uncommon multiples? 2 into 3. Now multiply. Find the product. 3 3s 9, 9 2s 18, 18 3s 54. Like this we can find out the LCM in both methods. One is division method and second one is prime factorization method. Here prime factors, while we are taking a product, your choice. I written here 2 into 9. Somebody will write 6 3s. Some members will write 9 2s. Some members will write 3 6, 6 3s. Whatever the order, but finally we will get same prime factors. Next concept, HCF. How to find out HCF? What is HCF? Highest common factor. Highest common factor. For finding HCF also two methods are there. One is a prime factorization method. And second one is continued division method. Continued division method. Prime factorization method. First take example 20 and 28. Prime factorization as usual. 20. First write 20 as product of two numbers, that is 2 and 10. Here 2 is prime number. Round off 10. 10 can be expressed as 2 5s. 2 is prime number and 5 is prime number. Next 28. 28 can be written as 2 14s. Here 2 is prime number. Next 14 can be written as 2 7s. 2 is prime number and 7 also prime number. Now 20 can be expressed as 20. What are the prime factors here? We rounded 2 into 2 into 5. Next 28. 2 into 2 into 7. Next here List out common factors. Common factors. What are the common factors here? In both, 1, 2 is common and other 2 is common. 2 2s are common. Now HCF. Just multiply that common factors. Here no need to list out uncommon factors. Just common factors multiply, which is equal to 4. 4 is highest common factor for 20 and 28. Next, continue division method. For same numbers 20 and 28. Here, which is smaller? 20 is smaller. Take 20 as divisor and 28 as dividend. 20 ones 20. Subtract. Here, what is the remainder? 8. Now 8 becomes divisor and this divisor becomes dividend. Here, subtract 28 minus 28 and this divisor becomes dividend. Now, 8th table. 8 2s 16. Subtract 4. Now, here this is a 4 is a remainder. Remainder becomes divisor and this divisor becomes dividend. In 4th table where you will get 8. It is clearly 4 2s 8. Remainder is 0. Now where we got a remainder 0, then what is the divisor? What is the divisor here? 4. This becomes HCF, highest common factor, or one more name also is there for HCF, that is GCD, greatest common divisor. Greatest common divisor. Now take 3 numbers 40, 56 and 60. First, take any 2 numbers, your choice. Take 2 numbers 40, 56 or 56, 60 or 60, 40, your choice. First consider these 2 numbers 40 and 56. Which is a smaller? 40 is small number, so take 40 as divisor. 56 is dividend. 40 ones 40. Subtract. Remainder is 16. Now remainder becomes divisor. This divisor becomes dividend. 40. 16 twos 32. 40 minus 32 8. Now 8 becomes divisor. 16 becomes dividend. 8 twos 16. When we got 0 as a remainder, the divisor becomes HCF. Here HCF is 8. Now take that 8 and one more number is there, 60. Divide with 8, 60. Now 8 sevens, 56. Remainder is 4. Now 4 becomes divisor, 8 becomes dividend. 4 twos, 8. Remainder is 0. Here this is HCF of 40, 56 and 60. If they gave 3 numbers, we can take any 2 numbers, normal as usual. After finding HCF, that number and the next number taken, continue that division. Next concept is relationship between LCM and HCF and HCF. So here LCM into HCF, the product of LCM and HCF is nothing but product of 2 numbers. Finding LCM and HCF is very important. Take an example. Find LCM of Find LCM of 8 and 12 and then find HCF and find HCF also, HCF also. First find out LCM. How to find out LCM? Division method. It is simple to take a division method. First LCM 8 and 12. Check out what is common factor in both. Common factor is 2. 2 fours and 2 6. Again common factors, 2 twos, 2 threes. Here there is no common factor, so stop here. Now LCM is equal to, take product 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 twos 4, 4 twos 8, 8 threes 24. This is LCM. Now LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. Now only we learned. Apply this formula. LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. Now we found LCM is 24 into HCF is equal to, what are the two numbers? 8 and 12. 8 into 12. Now HCF is equal to, transpose 24 to RHS side. Then HCF equal to 8 into 12 by 24. 12 ones, 12 twos. 2 ones, 2 fours. HCF is 4. Highest common factor of these two numbers is 4 and LCM is 24.